Welcome back. I'm Dr. Alex, and today we're talking about a vital but often overlooked topic, kidney health. Your kidneys filter your blood, remove waste, and keep your body in balance. So let's explore 10 morning drinks that can help support them, starting with what you sip first thing in the morning. First up, let's talk about warm lemon water, a classic morning ritual that stood the test of time for good reason. Many people swear by this simple drink to kickstart their day, and it's more than just a wellness trend. Hydration is absolutely essential for healthy kidney function. When you start your morning with a glass of warm water, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to flush out toxins and waste products, including creatinine, which can build up in the body if your kidneys aren't working efficiently. Adding fresh lemon juice not only gives your water a refreshing flavor, but it also provides a boost of vitamin C and, more importantly, citrate. Citrate is a natural compound that helps prevent kidney stones by stopping calcium from forming crystals in your kidneys, which can be painful and harmful over time. This simple drink also supports healthy digestion, helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, and creates a more alkaline environment in your system. An alkaline environment can reduce the strain on your kidneys and may help your body function more smoothly overall. To make it, just squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm, not boiling water. Stir gently, and it's ready to drink. You can even add a slice of lemon for extra flavor and a touch of natural aroma. Consistency is key. Try to make this a daily habit, ideally first thing in the morning, to get the most benefit. Over time, you may notice improvements in your energy, digestion, and overall sense of well-being. It's a small, easy change that can set a healthy tone for your entire day, helping you feel refreshed and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Remember, while warm lemon water isn't a cure for kidney problems, it's a supportive habit that can complement your overall kidney health routine. If you have any kidney issues or other health concerns, always check with your doctor before making changes to your routine, especially if you're on medication or have dietary restrictions. Now let's move on to our next kidney-friendly drink and see what else you can add to your morning routine for better kidney health. Number 2 is green tea, a true powerhouse when it comes to supporting your health, especially your kidneys. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, with EGCG being the most notable. These natural compounds are known for their ability to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can otherwise lead to cell damage over time. Catechins help protect your kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can damage the kidney's delicate filtering units. By reducing this stress, green tea may help slow the progression of kidney-related issues and support overall kidney function. Green tea may also have a gentle diuretic effect, encouraging your body to flush out toxins and waste products more efficiently. This natural cleansing process can be especially beneficial for your kidneys, as it helps them do their job more effectively. In addition, green tea supports heart health and helps manage blood pressure. This is crucial because high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. By keeping your blood pressure in check, you're also protecting your kidneys in the long run. For the best results, brew high-quality loose-leaf green tea for 2 to 3 minutes in hot, but not boiling water. This gentle brewing process preserves the delicate flavors and maximizes the health benefits of the tea. Skip the sugar to maximize benefits. If you prefer a little extra flavor, try adding a slice of lemon or a few fresh mint leaves instead of sweeteners. This keeps your tea healthy and refreshing. Enjoying just 1 cup a day is a simple, effective way to support your kidneys and boost your overall wellness. It's a small habit that can make a big difference over time. As always, moderation is key. Drinking too much green tea can have side effects, so stick to 1 or 2 cups daily for the best results. And remember, if you have any health concerns or existing kidney conditions, it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or routine. Next up, we'll explore a traditional remedy that's gaining new attention for its modern health benefits. Third on our list is barley water, a traditional drink that has been cherished for generations for its remarkable benefits for kidney and urinary health. Across many cultures, barley water is valued not just for its refreshing taste, but also for its gentle healing properties. Barley water acts as a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body increase urination. This process is essential for flushing out toxins and waste products, including creatinine, from your system. By supporting your kidneys in this way, barley water can help keep your urinary tract clear and functioning smoothly. It also helps maintain a healthy pH in your urine, which is important for reducing the risk of infections that can harm your kidneys. A balanced pH makes it harder for harmful bacteria to thrive, offering extra protection for your urinary system. The soluble fiber in barley is another key benefit. This type of fiber supports blood sugar and cholesterol control, both of which are crucial for long-term kidney health. By helping to stabilize these levels, barley water can play a role in preventing complications that might otherwise put extra strain on your kidneys. Making barley water at home is simple and cost-effective. Just simmer a quarter cup of rinsed barley in 4 cups of water for about 30 minutes, allowing the grains to release their nutrients. Once it's done, strain the liquid to separate the grains from the water. You can enjoy barley water warm or cool, depending on your preference. For a burst of flavor and an extra dose of vitamin C, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a lemon wedge to your glass. This gentle, nutrient-rich drink is a wonderful way to start your day, especially if you're looking for a natural boost to your hydration and kidney health. Don't let the leftover barley go to waste. Add it to soups, salads, or even smoothie bowls for extra fiber and nutrition. Barley is incredibly versatile and can enhance many dishes. If you have kidney disease or any other health concerns, it's always wise to check with your doctor before adding barley water to your routine, as individual needs can vary. Now, let's refresh with a hydrating juice, another delicious way to support your kidneys and overall well-being. Number 4 is cucumber juice, one of the most hydrating drinks you can have. Cucumbers are 95% water, giving your kidneys the fluid they need to filter waste. They're also a good source of potassium, which helps balance sodium and regulate blood pressure, unless your doctor says to limit potassium. Cucumber juice has a mild diuretic effect, gently encouraging your kidneys to flush out toxins. It's also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, supporting long-term kidney health. Blend a washed cucumber with water, strain, and add lime or mint for flavor. Drink it as a juice or smoothie for extra fiber. This refreshing drink is low in calories and high in benefits. Always consult your doctor if you have advanced kidney disease. Next, a juice famous for urinary tract protection. 5th is cranberry juice, well known for supporting urinary tract health. Cranberries contain packs which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing infection risk. Preventing infections is crucial, as untreated UTIs can damage your kidneys. Cranberry juice is also rich in antioxidants, helping protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Choose 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Avoid sugary cocktails. A small serving, about 4 ounces diluted with water, is enough. Use it a few times a week as a preventative measure. It's not a direct creatinine-lowering drink, but it's a powerful kidney protector. If you're prone to kidney stones, consult your doctor first. Let's spice things up with our next drink. Number 6 is ginger tea, a warming drink packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power. Gingerol, the active compound, helps reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells. Ginger may also support blood sugar control, which is vital since diabetes is a leading cause of kidney disease. It aids digestion and promotes healthy circulation, both important for kidney function. To make it, steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add lemon or honey for flavor if you like. Start your day with ginger tea to soothe your system and support your kidneys. It's a simple, natural way to fight inflammation. Always check with your doctor if you have health concerns. Now let's look at a surprising weed with big benefits. 7th is dandelion tea, made from the leaves or root of the common dandelion. It's a natural diuretic, increasing urine output and helping your kidneys flush out waste. Dandelion is rich in potassium, so it replenishes this electrolyte as it works. Packed with antioxidants, it helps protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Dandelion also supports liver function, which works hand in hand with your kidneys for detoxification. Steep dandelion tea bags or loose leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. If you're on medication or have allergies, consult your doctor before trying dandelion tea. Next, a vibrant juice with heart and kidney benefits. 8th is beetroot juice, loaded with nitrates that help lower blood pressure, a key factor in kidney health. Lower blood pressure protects the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys from damage. Beetroot also boosts blood flow and oxygen delivery, helping your kidneys work efficiently. Its beta-lane antioxidants fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Start with a small amount. Beet juice is potent and can be mixed with apple or carrot juice. If you have a history of kidney stones, talk to your doctor before drinking beet juice. For most people, it's a powerful way to support both heart and kidney health. Now let's head to the tropics for our next drink. Ninth is coconut water, nature's electrolyte-rich hydrator. It's packed with potassium, magnesium, and sodium, helping your body absorb and retain fluids for optimal kidney filtration. Coconut water may also help prevent kidney stones and gently encourages urine production. Choose 100% pure coconut water with no added sugars or flavors. If you have advanced kidney disease, be cautious. High potassium can be risky. For most, it's a delicious, natural way to hydrate and support your kidneys. Enjoy it fresh or from a quality packaged source. Finally, let's talk about a trendy wellness drink. 10th is an apple cider vinegar, ACV drink, popular for its potential alkalizing and detoxifying effects. ACV may help balance your body's pH and support kidney function, especially if your diet is acidic. Some believe it can help dissolve certain kidney stones, though more research is needed. ACV may also help control blood sugar, indirectly protecting your kidneys. Always dilute ACV, 1 to 2 teaspoons in a large glass of water, to protect your teeth and stomach. If you have kidney disease or digestive issues, consult your doctor before trying ACV. For most healthy people, a diluted ACV drink can be a smart addition to your morning. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts. There you have it, 10 morning drinks to support your kidneys and overall health. Remember, these are supportive habits, not cures, and professional medical advice is essential if you have health concerns. Your kidneys work hard for you. Show them some love with smart choices. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share your favorite morning drink in the comments. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.